Your multimeter will also come with several buttons on it. In the next few slides, we are going to cover the most common buttons that you will see on a multimeter. Normally, the value you are measuring will disappear when you remove your leads. When you press the hold button while taking a measurement, the value you measured will remain on the screen. The hold button can be useful when the measurement value is fluctuating too much to read it. The min or max button stores the values your meter is reading. It will store the smallest value you measure, the largest value, and some meters will also store the average. When min or max is on, you will see min or max on your multimeter display. The range button allows you to manually set the range on an auto-ranging multimeter. Each time you click range, the unit of measurement will change on your display. For example, you can press range to have the multimeter show 1 to 3 decimal places on your measurement. The function button allows you to access secondary measurements on your multimeter. If you look to the picture on your right, you will see symbols that are a different color. The symbols with different colors are accessed by turning your dial to the symbol and pressing the function key. For example, in the multimeter to the right you can see a symbol above the ohm. That is the symbol for capacitance. To measure capacitance, you would rotate your dial until the dial points to ohm. You would press the function key and the capacitance symbol would appear on the display. In this section, you learned about the components that make up a multimeter. You are now ready to take your first measurement.